What are you eating, Ruby? What are you eating? Did you eat that whole onion? Ruby's into the onion. Hi. Hi. She ate a long strand of onion. That's all that's left. And some lox. And Mater. Yes. Oh, might as well have a Cheerio too. What? Oh, you want some bread? You're welcome. Oh. Is it good too? Mm-mm. There we go.